Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're gonna be playing with tattoo brows. I'm gonna do another 24-hour wear test because the last one was so much fun for me and for my skin wearing the makeup for a full 24. If you have not seen that foundation wear test and concealer wear test, they both said 24-hour wear on the front, so I was like, I know what I'll do. I'll sleep in my makeup. And you know what? I found this as I was kind of going through my brow stuff and I was like, hey, I didn't realize that this claims to last for up to 2 days. Now, I'm not gonna go that far with it. Like I'm not gonna do a 48-hour wear test. I need my brows, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do the 24 and sit back down and see just how long this will wear. I am very curious. I apologize. I am very late to the party with this one. Like not even just late to the party. I just about skipped it altogether because I think this has been out for a while. Like bad on me, like I totally missed that one and somehow it just finally caught my attention. I'm like, oh, I should do a video, you know? So my eyebrows right now are overplucked. Why did I do that? I kind of went to town with a pair of tweezers the other night and you know how you just start kind of like going in and then you go a little too far? I murdered my eyebrows. Okay, so I've been doing my brows bigger and bolder and more lifted, and so I kept having hairs like right here, and so I was like, oh, I'll just pluck those and get rid of them. And basically right now I kind of feel like I just don't have brows altogether. My point is I have been digging through every brow product that I have on hand, trying to work different things together and, you know, helping me to complete that full brow look that I am after, that I love, that would be long wearing. And I stumbled across this and I'm like, hey, let's sit down and do it. I know I'm not deep brown. We're just gonna like get that one out of here. And I know I'm not blonde. So let's take a look at the other two colors that I have on hand that I think could potentially be a fit. So I have the Tattoo Studio Brow Gel in the shade. Why don't you have her name on here? I hate it when they do that. Really? I found it. Okay, I have soft brown and medium brown. This applicator looks terrifying. It looks like a lip gloss applicator. And on the side of the box, oh yeah, I'm not, like you put this in your brow like this, no. They say to do that on the side of the box, like it gives you an illustration of, you know, step 1, step 2. And they show you actually using the wand in the jar. And I'm like, I don't know how that would work for most people. I just really, really don't. I feel like you're gonna need a brush and you're gonna need to like fill it in and sculpt it in almost as if this was a brow pomade. That's the only way in my brain I think this would make sense. This is the shade medium brown. So we had soft brown and medium brown. They look the same. I think I'm gonna go soft brown because it's a little more warm. You know, we'll just start there. But I am telling you guys, looking at this, unless you have the thickest brows on the planet with something that is so like said to be super budge proof, like I'm gonna try just grazing through just to show you guys. This is exactly what I thought would happen. Okay, she's being over dramatic. I know. Where's the makeup wipe? We're doing it the way in my head it made sense and abandoning the way that they tell you to do it on the box. Because sometimes you just got to figure out a different way to make it happen. And we're going to explore that here together today. Okay, so makeup wipe. And there goes my foundation. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is take a brow brush. This is from Pretty Vulgar. It has a spoolie on one side and angled bit on the other. And I am just gonna pick this up from a glass palette. I'm gonna take it on my brush. I'm going to make sure to brush my brow hairs upward. And I'm just gonna start kind of gliding it through and kind of creating in my brain what I think are natural looking brow hairs. Oh my goodness, I'm realizing right now, I will be working out tomorrow morning and I will also be going to a dentist appointment and these brows will be coming with me. I literally have to like hold my breath when I do my brows sometimes. I swear, I don't know. Brows give me anxiety. Like my heart starts elevating and I'm like, don't you screw this up, you know? Like it's an important part. And okay. Okay, we're getting there. Like I kind of like it. I feel like I'm having a little bit of a hard time getting it like as thick as I normally would with a pencil. Like it's hard to do the front part, but other than that, it's pretty decent. Okay, we're getting there. I feel like I actually am gonna dip into the deep brown because I feel like I need something just a tiny bit darker to blend things through. You guys know me, I tend to use a few different products at a time and I like blending different colors to give a more natural appearance to everything that I am trying to trick the eye with. So I'm gonna go into the dark brown, same thing. The weird thing with this is it actually feels quite sticky, so I can feel it setting and I can actually feel the tackiness on my brows. Like it's like sticking to my skin. It's a very weird sensation. Aside from the fact that this took a pretty long time to do, it is getting the job done. I think the best way to use a product like this would definitely be with a pencil first to really get that shape and sharpness, and then go in and lay down color and add the thickness, being that it almost grabs on and builds with your own natural brow hairs. I can tell that this is gonna be very long wearing. It feels like a little bit more of a tacky, sticky Wonder Brow, which that one is extremely long wearing. So this is not a terrible product. I just really would not go in out of the wand, you know? And here is a close look of the no brow situation that I have going on at the moment. So we are going to fill in and I'll kind of show you just a different view of the way I am getting this to work. Still got a lot of work to go. Okay, so this is one of those things where you're gonna have to kind of build and build and build to get to where you need to go. In this case, I'm trying to, of course, match the other brow. So I'm just gonna keep layering and building, but you wanna go kind of slow with it because you don't want it to look totally painted on. All right, we're getting there. So now I'm gonna take the darker brown and just kind of mimic what I did with the first brow. I feel like I could do all of this so much faster if I had a pencil first, which actually makes me really excited to use this again and use it with a pencil, but I really wanted to see if I could make this work just on its own. You definitely can, it takes a lot longer, but I have hope for this. Okay, there's a slight situation if you try to like build and pull too much, it'll take all the color off altogether. I'm gonna go in and kind of clean up a little bit here. Not bad, not bad. All right, I think that this is where I'm gonna stop. I am going to take a little bit of concealer and kind of clean up, but I'm not mad about these brows. This actually worked out pretty well, and I don't wanna sound like a broken record, but you guys all know I'd love to be able to use powders and pencils in with it, and then I think I could make it look really, really great because this is like a cross between a pomade and a gel. Like it has this nice tackiness to it. I do enjoy that. So I'm gonna clean up my brows, put on some eyeshadow, and then I'll go about my day and we're gonna see it all. You guys are gonna come with me for 24 hours. All right, you guys, so it is now fast forward like 4 hours because my day just goes by so fast whenever I am swatching, testing, trying, filming, doing all of that, but the brows have stayed the same. So I switched my shirt and I played with like a bunch of glitter products today, but for 4 hours, like, and changing up some makeup, nothing has moved. I'm impressed. We will see how the day continues and I will check in with you guys in a few hours from now, but we are gonna keep doing this. I'm going to sleep in it, work out in it, and do the full test until tomorrow. But I kind of like my brows a lot today. All right, so far so good. We are disposing of a really creepy doll. This wound up in my house and I don't like scary objects in my home. So we are driving it over to Taylor's because he's the one that brought it in the house and we want to get rid of it. And we're like, we can't just dump it in the trash, yeah, you know, because that'll piss the doll off.
My darling wasn't nice to me. Are you going to be nice to me?
You can take this.
I don't want that.
No, you brought this in my house. Take it. There you go. So the doll had to go and that was fine and everything. And then you guys are getting the most realistic look at what my evenings tend to be like here testing makeup out. So I have literally tested out, I don't even know how many lip products. I'll show you in a moment. They're behind me. And I'm kind of playing around right now with the Natasha, the new gold palette. And I'm having a hard time taking it off. There is a teal color in the palette that just like does not want, I look crazy. The brows I bumped ever so slightly. I tried to comb it through. That may have been a bad idea, but I am committed. I'm gonna sleep in this. I'm gonna work out in this in the morning and I will give you the full like rundown. But so far I have to say, I really like it. I know, ignore the rest of my face. Wow, she looks like Halloween. Get too close to my face, please. Thank you so much. Are you really filming me?
Why are you going to bed with eyebrows on?
What are you talking about? I have these eyebrows. These are my eyebrows. Don't get too close. You will freak the audience out with this illusion of eyebrows. It's actually quite nice, huh? I wish that I could have eyebrows like this all of the time.
I wonder what they'll be like when you wake up in the morning. You know what I think they'll be like?
Huh?
On your pillowcase.
Probably. All right, let's go to bed.
Okay.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
No.
Good morning.
No.
Good morning.
Honey, I'll do it myself.
Let me see. Just let me see your eyebrows and I'll let you go. I think they're still on.
Are they?
Congratulations.
Keep the other arm straight when you go down.
That's right?
Yep.
How are my brows? Fine. Dang, who did your brows though? Maybelline.
All right, you guys, so the workout is complete. The brows are still on. I cannot even get over this. I'm gonna use this product again today. Like, they look so good. How on the earth did I sleep in my brows, wake up, work out, excuse the hair, and they are just like, what? So nice. I'm gonna use this again today with a pencil. I'm excited to give that a go, but hey, Maybelline, you did that. I love it, but it is budge proof, you guys. So this gets a huge thumbs up from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this 24-hour wear test. Let me know if there is another one like this that I can put to the test and sleep in and do this whole like crazy experiment with. I kind of love doing it. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That always feels good to my heart when you enjoy my videos. Also, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any future ones. And I'm here Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. PST. All right, I gotta get to my day. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Mwah.